Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Our topic for today's video is all about number system. Let's begin learning. Today we are going to learn about what is number system. What is a number system? A number system is a writing system to express numbers. It is the mathematical notation for representing consistently using digits or other symbols. It provides a unique representation of every number and represents the arithmetic and algebraic structure of the figures. There are various types of number systems in mathematics. The four most common number system types are 1. Decimal number system, base 10. 2. Binary number system, base 2. 3. Octal number system, base 8. 4. Hexadecimal number system, base 16. Numbering system, binary base 2. 0 and 1. Octal base 8. 0 up to 7. Decimal base 10. 0 up to 9. Hexadecimal base 16. 0 up to 9 and letters A to F. Thank you for watching It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Please support my channel by like, follow and subscribe for more learnings.